The demo is live, and for the first time, players are experiencing the surreal office space on Steam. Here's what I built in the last 10 days to get us there. In the last devlog, I showed how we went from a 3-day game jam to a 2-week pre-production, and now I'll be covering the following 2 weeks of liminal rooms, new endings, lore, achievements, and the first demo and player feedback. Starting off with day 11, we built this surreal office space through the use of landscape tools and PCG to create these randomized desks for the environment. On day 12, I created a PCG to help me tell the story of productivity worship, and integrated this logo across all screens in the game through the use of in-engine modeling and UV tools. On day 13, I created this endless board room populated by PCG. On day 14, I refactored the interaction system and created the interact notes that are going to deliver lore throughout the world. We now have a masterclass for interactions that works with items, lore notes, and doors around the world. Day 15 was a big push to get a demo out, and we needed a couple more levels, so we got the Backrooms inspired observation deck, we've got this janitor closet that houses the flashlight for one of the escape puzzles, we've got this level 4 abandoned office inspired room, and a pools room inspired area as well. So I added the flashlight lighting profile, and then iterated on the static effect for the game when transitioning between anomalies. After that, it was just the content grind of adding lore to every anomaly that we have, at this point 15 in total. The lore UI itself was inspired by Resident Evil's simplicity. We also created a music system that changes the atmosphere in each anomaly. Still day 15, and one of the rooms that we were inspired by was the abandoned offices level 4 from the Backrooms fanfiction. On day 16, I get my first feedback from testers about a room that has massive performance drain. Using insights, we found out that there were 1.5 million primitive draws. On day 17, I created the achievement system so that we can start putting achievements to each ending and the intro videos for the game. And that wraps up the last 2 weeks of iteration. The beta demo is live, the feedback is coming in, and I've been watching players explore the game for the first time. We've got a bunch of UI UX feedback that we need to iterate on. Based on what I've seen, the next step is pretty simple. We test, we gather feedback, and we iterate. The game loop is in, the 15 levels, the multiple endings, the UI are all here. Now it's just about raising the bar. I'll be polishing UI UX and the first time user experience. I'll be refining the lore and the level design, balancing more light and dark spaces to give more of a liminal vibe, all while raising the bar visually and technically to make the demo shine ready for the next fest. If you want to follow along with the journey or even shape it, follow us here on YouTube, join the Discord, and grab a demo key. In the meantime, I'll catch you live on YouTube and Twitch with collabs from the folks at UX is Fine to help raise the bar of UI UX across the project. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.